Shares in British Land, they've been trading lower today, off by almost 8.5%, after the group reported a £3.2 billion write-down on its property values. The value of British Land's net assets tumbled by approximately 64% over the year. That's worse than forecasts. But despite this, the group says that it remains resilient in the face of tough conditions. Mudassar Malik is a CFD trader from JN Financial, joining us in the studio to just look at some of these intra-session moves that we've seen today. Welcome.
Hello.
So the moves that we're seeing with British Land, I mean, investors getting out today, but we've had 5 days of gains, or 4 days for the UK market.
That's exactly right. Yeah. The investors getting out today on the back of results. We're looking at the valuation of the portfolio really slashed. The net asset value of the per share slashed again, down about 8% today. We're involved in that. We're shorting that all, from the morning. Very, very low today.
Other movers, cable and wireless, one of the main losers throughout the morning, down by more than 10%.
Absolutely. Cable and wireless, obviously they've had some results out today. The earnings up. The results are in line with what is expected. However, growth figures expected for 2010, not in line with what investors were looking for, down about 14%. And plus, we were looking at technical levels here. The 165 mark for cable and wireless was a fairly big resistance point. We were looking at that as well, and getting involved first thing this morning, down about 14% just after the market opened. It's one of the biggest losers of the day.
I mean, we have this news from ArcelorMittal that Moody's cut their rating to the lowest investment grade. They are citing concerns over the effect of weak steel markets and how that will impact the company's credit profile. Do you think, though, that people really are making changes to their trades based on news such as this, or is it just a bit of technical trade, as you've indicated?
I think there's a lot of both, actually. With technical trading, I mean, for example, if we look at Rio, it's been above £30 in the last week or so. It's come down to below £27 today. That's a little bit of technical trading there, a little bit of psychological resistance levels. We do look at the prices of metals as well, and also we've got, on the back of that, the FTSE really falling off hard today. So I think both are taken into account. Obviously, with Rio, we've also got the news of China Alco and the reduced stake in the tie-in today. So I think it's more of a case of looking on the broader picture.
Mudassar, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Mudassar Malik, CFD trader from JN Financial.